Hi everyone, it's Liam from the Blackpool Honda dealership. Hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 1.5 self-charging hybrid Jazz EX. Now of course the EX is the top of the line. It is the best grade you can actually get in the Jazz range unless you go for the Crosstar. But it does come as standard with these 16-inch alloy wheels as standard. I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are in, and most importantly the design pattern that is actually on the alloys. Walking around the rear, you get your rear parking sensors as standard, and the EX you also get this nice little reversing camera just up at the top there, which does make this thing an absolute doddle to park. In the tailgate we've got plenty of room as well. We've got 60-40 split flat folding rear seats, and of course the seats do fold flat with that level just there, which has got a slight incline but isn't major whatsoever. Walking round again, just showing you the rear alloy here. In the back of the car now, we've got your cream, we've got your white leather with your grey cloth, and we've also got ISOFIX mounting points down at the bottom. Now this grey on white does transition throughout the car, as you can see, which is a nice combination for the darker colours. Jumping inside now, we've got your electric handbrake with brake hold. We've then got your ECON and your eCVT gearbox. We've then got your climate control in the front with 2 front heated seats, and then we do also then have your 10-inch display in the middle. This comes with your satellite navigation, comes with your Bluetooth hands-free, Bluetooth audio, FM, so you can see all the sources just there. Moving on, we do also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay function as well. We've then got your little extra bit of storage just here, and on this screen you'll see that we do have the reversing camera like so. Moving over to the steering wheel now, you can see that we do have a multi-function steering wheel. We've got your audio controls just here with your track select. The back arrow and the home button and the bezel controls your onboard computer, and then we've also got your voice assistant just there. We've then got your speed limiter and cruise control on the right hand side with your heated steering wheel. We then have automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, and of course, as you can see, this car has only done 13,526 miles. Jumping back outside now, showing you the last remaining alloy. As you can see at the front, we have LED daytime running lights and front parking sensors for when you are pulling into a bay. If you require any further information on this Jazz, don't hesitate to get in contact with the dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.